Welcome back to Online Tools Master, where we simplify the most powerful browser-based tools for your everyday needs. Today we're looking at a straightforward but super handy converter, the PNG to BMP converter by Online PNG Tools. To get started, open your browser and go to www.onlinepngtools.com. Once you're on the site, just search for the tool named Convert PNG to BMP and click on it. This tool lets you convert any portable network graphics or PNG image into a bitmap or BMP file. It's fast, completely free, and works instantly. In this first example, we're converting a basic PNG image into a BMP image. As you can see, the output looks just like the original, but behind the scenes, it's now in BMP format, which is heavier in size due to lack of compression. Let's take a look at how we achieved this. For this example, no additional settings were required. We simply uploaded the PNG file, and the tool automatically converted it to BMP. Here's the output once more. And when you're happy with it, just click the Save as BMP button to download your converted file. In this second example, we're working with a PNG that contains transparency, also known as an alpha channel. Since BMP format doesn't support transparency, the tool replaces the transparent areas with a light blue color. Let's see how this was done. We use the option to replace transparency with a solid color, in this case the soft blue shade, number A0C0F0. This gives the image a clean and consistent background while preserving its appearance. Once again, we preview the final output, and click Save as BMP to download the converted image to our device. To recap, the PNG to BMP converter at onlinepngtools.com is a simple yet powerful utility that transforms your PNG files into uncompressed BMP files in just a few seconds. You can handle images with or without transparency, pick your background fill color, and download the result with just a click. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to check out our previous videos, one on how to add text to a logo, and another on the monochrome PNG maker. To try out today's tool, just head to www.onlinepngtools.com and look for the PNG to BMP converter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, so you never miss a tool tutorial from us. Stay tuned. We'll be back soon with another powerful browser-based tool.